Hi, friends. Happy Friday. I hope you all had a wonderful week and you stayed safe and warm out there. It was quite the week as far as snow and warmth. We're going to go ahead and get right in. It's going to be fairly quick today because, as you know, I'm working on trying to create the fall schedule of classes. So I am just going to go over just a few items today. The first one is I thought it was timely that I show you all how you can see your list of classes. So as you probably are familiar, you probably go to instructional offerings, which is this page, and you scroll down and you can see it course by course. You can also go to classes. And this is a great option because it allows you a little bit more filter options. So you can filter by manager. We have department, need classroom, computer lab. So as you're building the schedule of classes, this is a good way to filter out the sections that you need to look at and the sections you don't need to look at. Also, when I give you your need classroom assignments on Tuesday afternoon, this will be a good way for you to go and see all those collectively on one shot, one screen. So when I do that, you can go to the Need Classroom Manager, and you also need to make sure you're looking at your filter options. So you want to make sure you have everything appropriately marked, and you want to for sure mark timetable when those are released, because that's going to give you, excuse me, the time and the room location that section was scheduled into. So this is a nice way to just filter it out section by section. So this view shows each individual section. And then once I do release the timetable, it will be over in this area on the other side of preferences. So this is also a good way for you to filter out your departmental courses. So now you should be working on your departmental courses or starting to think about those. And you can filter out each section and just look at the departmental courses. You can also, of course, just look at your computer lab sections as well. And then for those of you that have CEC or EPE courses, this is a way that you can go and filter on those as well. So I thought I'd show you that so that you would have another way to look at your assignments or maybe filter on what you need to be working on right now. The actual last thing I wanted to show you was in reference to examination. So as you know, the spring final exams were released on Wednesday, and I wasn't sure if you knew that you had the ability to go in and run your own reports. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So on the left side in Unitime, under examinations, you're going to want to go to PDF reports. So we just click on that. I'm actually under AAE, so I'm under Lisa Crane. So this is what she sees, and this is what you all will see, because my view is different. So I needed to go in under a schedule deputy. So for her, she's always going to pick AAE. And then there's several different reports to choose from. You're probably not going to need to look at any of these other reports besides the one I'm sharing with you. So the schedule by course and the student conflicts, that's the one I sent to you. But if something changes, or maybe I need to make an update to the schedule that you requested, you can always go in here and run these reports yourself. Or maybe you forgot or you misplaced my email that I sent. Again, you can go in here and run the report yourself. So schedule by course and student conflicts. And then these are the parameters. I probably wouldn't mess too much with this. It's probably set how it needs to be set. I'm looking through here and it looks correct to me. We probably don't need to display room display names. That just lists the entire name of the room or the building. You probably don't need that. If you want to see exams with no enrollment, you can uncheck that. But typically, we're not giving exams with no enrollment, excuse me. And then you can just come down here, and the format's a PDF letter, and it's going to be emailed to Crane at Purdue, and then so let me move myself over here, and then you just click generate. I won't do that because I don't want to send Lisa another report, but you click generate, and then it'll send you an email with those reports. It's as simple as that. Also under examinations, if you're curious, you can go to examinations, and then it lists all your exams that are scheduled right there in one place. So just another place for you to easily see your examinations, and another tool in your toolbox. Okay, that's all I have for today. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and take care.